water? No, Leland, put down the TV. Turn off the TV. Grab your... Put down the TV. Alright, come on. Let's get ready for school now. Grab your backpack and let's get going. Alright, so I found Leland's backpack.
Wait, it sounds empty. Leland. Where's all the folders?
What?
Where's all the folders?
Leland!
Where's the notebooks in your bag?
Here's your backpack. But where's all your supplies? Your pencils and your...
I threw them away.
No, come... Oh my gosh. You know what? The school can provide it at this point. I'm done. We gotta get in the van.
Let's go,
It's time to go to school. Oh. Put it up.
We each get one more.
Alright, load that up. We're getting ready for school. Leland, come on, get off the couch now. We're gonna go to school right now. Come on.
I'm sorry that you didn't get
Oh, okay. Babies don't go to school. Leland, come on. Leland, come on. Go put your markers in your backpack. Come on, get off the couch. Go where Leanna is. She has your markers. Now, come on. Leland, come on. We gotta get ready for school.
I'm all ready.
First day of school. Come on.
I gotta play a Fortnite.
You played Fortnite all summer long. In fact, that's all you did. Oh my gosh. That's all he's done this summer, guys, is playing the freaking Fortnite. It's time to go back to school. No more Fortnite.
I'm all ready. Let's
Fortnite
go.
has been canceled.
You're stuck in my bag.
I want to hear a sound! Graduation.
Not a sound! When the exercise will come out, you will stand quietly, you will pay attention. Any questions?
No, sir.
Now stand up and keep your mouth shut.
Don't move! Oh, you are just totally caught on film. Itches? There's no way that can itch yet. He's got in the chair, he goes, it itches.
Stop!
That's really cool.
Don't move, you're gonna lose an ear.
I am damn well serious.
Fire drill. Everybody run.
Excuse me. Patrick, move. Don't push with any others. That's not impressive. Get out of my way.
Excuse me.
Get out of my way, my
Come on, please get out of my way.
Watch where you go. Keep looking up on the people around
Excuse me.
Please get out of my way, you son of a bitch.
Ouch. Watch it.
We've got to get out of here. Run, guys, run.
You and I need to talk.
Because we have our icons and the whole time I'm still there, wasn't it? You were taller.
Jeffrey, you the tallest me.
You were the one.
Grin on your face. Get in the car right now. I was gonna say van. I'm used to you getting in the van. But get in the car.
Why?
We're gonna have a talk. I was gonna try to pick you up at the bottom of the hill because I'm mad at you. We're gonna have a conversation. Put on your seatbelt. It's beeping at me. Put on your seatbelt. Alright, Leland. Your school called us. And you pulled the fire alarm? You are grounded. I'm taking you back home. Your mom's gonna beat you.
Oh gosh. No, it's for dinner.
Yeah, spaghetti, because your mom's upset.
Yay.
Don't ever pull the fire alarm unless it's a natural emergency.
Why not?
And that goes to any of you guys watching this. Put down the phone. I'm not going to vlog. You are grounded. This whole time, okay, for the next few days, however long you're suspended for, there's no video games, there's nothing, there's no tablets, there's no phone, there's just nothing. Well, you're not having it. You're not having any of it. You're just gonna do school assignments on your computer, and that is it. I mean it. You don't ever roll the fire alarm. Why are you laughing at me? I mean it. There's nothing. There's absolutely nothing. You know, for the next few days, you're gonna do schoolwork online, and that is it. There's nothing. No PlayStation, no Xbox, nothing. So sick of this, Leland. Shut up, car. I got plenty of space between me and the side-by-side. Now give me back my phone. All this to get out of a test.
Yeah.
You're just gonna have to take it eventually.
Alright, goodbye. I'll drive the side-by-side now.
You're not driving the side-by-side. You go talk to your mother. And close the door. Alright.
Or ask your operator for assistance. This is a recording.
Why am I so weak? I'm supposed to be a Christian.